Hi, in today's video we want to learn how to download and run LibreOffice as AppImage. So we go on LibreOffice website, download as AppImage. I downloaded before these app images of LibreOffice. You can see here version 6.4, 7, alpha and so on. We go here pre-release and we have 6.4 and 7. These are two versions here, so I don't want to download them. Let's download an old version which I don't have. Let's see what I have here. 6.4, 6.4.2, 6.4.1. I don't have 6.4.1, so let's search for it. 6.4.1. Okay, let's search for it. 6.4.1 AppImage. Let's download this. Okay, it's downloading in 20 seconds. Let's see. Let's wait a little bit. App images are very useful in order to run multiple instances of LibreOffice without uninstalling another version, so you can have in the same times many versions. So I downloaded that file. Let's cut, let's paste, let's do again, copy, and let's paste. So 6.4.1, it's here. We have to change the rights, so I go here to rights, executed. I have to allow executing as a program. So now if I'm opening, let's see what version do I have here. It's 6.4.1.2. Let's open now 7, version 7. You can see here the logo is changed. Let's open and let's see what version do we have. 7 alpha 1. Okay, so thanks for watching, and you can install multiple instances of LibreOffice that way. So I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching again, and please watch the other video. Thank you.